What I do have is I have a birch limb. And this is going to be my wife's new walking stick. I'm going to have, I can't even think of all the names, hawthorn, hickory, birch, sassafras, diamond willow, what they call twisted, and I know there's one more. But those are going to be the woods that I work with the most. Every once in a while, if I can come up with a cedar or something like that, I will use it. But I think this is just an absolutely stunning piece of wood. Beautiful white. Got a couple things here. When I sand them down, they will set off with a darker because of the white, so it's just going to be beautiful. And I only have to cut off this much because I'm going to put a compass in the top, and it's an oil-filled compass, and it's 22 millimeter diameter, and I get a 22 millimeter wood bit to go in that. So she'll be able to, I had to cut it off, like I said, that much, but she'll be able to look over the top once the stick is, her walking stick is straight up and down, straight up and down. She'll be able to peer over the top of it and see the direction. Basically, it's just for looks, but we do use compass. We do use compasses when we're out and about. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the depth of one of the 1-inch ends here and take it down so this will fit on it, and then taper the stick down. I don't like that blunt look to it when I put these rubber ends on. Your stick is bigger and then you just straight down and across. I like it when it's tapered and they really look nice together. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So when I get my tools around, I don't even see my tools right now. When I get my tools around, I will come back and do a little bit of carving on this one. So stick with me. Okay, what I found out was I only need to knock down some of the high points because this thing wants to fit on right now. Didn't think it was quite that close, but it is. So I'm just gonna hit some of the high spots. Oh, this wood is just unbelievable. I love it. Just a little bit on the upside and that'll be done already. That is just wild. So far, this is the easiest wood I have ever carved. It was just like cutting butter when I took the edges off. Just a tad more here. Just kind of spinning around looking for high spots. And basically there are none. Well, I think that will be good. I'm going to take this little corner off here. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Well, that was a lot faster than I thought. I do have to take these down. I'll probably use the disc on the drill. That's the most gentle way I've got to do it. And just get it close and then take it down with sandpaper from there. But golly, this is exceptional wood. Okay, enough babbling about the wood. I'll let you go, and I don't think I'm going to be doing any more today. So we'll catch you later. Bye. Well, on my wife's Aspen walking stick, what I am going to do next is I am going to do wrap the grip, and she wanted brown, so I'm going to do it with brown leather. I hope you can see it. I don't know if you can or not, but it's 1 millimeter brown. She didn't want black, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap that, and then I have a liquid filled compass that's going to go. I'm going to epoxy it into the end of the stick. I countersunk it so it will fit down in flush. And then I believe I'm going to show, I think I said on another video that I was going to show how I marked around for the tacks, the brass tacks. So I'm going to show you that. I don't know if I'll get to that today or not, but it's a plan. And also I got the leather strap that goes through the 3/8 hole, and like I said, it's like a ski pole strap to help take the fatigue out of your hand for using a walking stick of any kind or a ski stick. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to bore you with the wrapping because I've already showed you how I do the wrapping. I'll come back when I glue this in. Then I'll probably have to wait a day before I do the tacks. I'll let that let that glue sit. So that's what I'm going to do, and appreciate you guys sticking with me here. I'll show you when I get done what it looks like. Okay, I got the handle done, the grip I should say. It's wrapped, and I put let me get the new light up here. Put the compass in, epoxied, and then I used painter's tape to go over the top of it and then wrap it around to hold it. And I'll leave that cure until tomorrow before I do anything else to this. But I really think that it's going to look good. And then with the with the leather wrist strap in brown. I think it's going to look really good. I think the wife's gonna like it. I got a feeling it's going to be one of the most unusual ones with the coloration, but we'll get back to you when I start putting the tacks. I'm going to put the tacks on the top and the bottom like I always do on my walking sticks, I guess. Kind of a way to show that it's mine. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So, get back to you probably tomorrow. Hey everyone. I'm going to finish up the wife's walking stick here. She hasn't seen it yet, so I'm really hoping that she's going to like it. But I got a little something else to do before we get into that. I got I invested. Let me get this sit down there. I invested in a big Dremel. I invested in the 4000. Basically because I need the power and I like the small pin-like grip on the extension, the cord here. But I really needed the power for some of the things I wanted to do, especially engraving rocks or putting things on rocks. That was really hard on those little ones that I've got. And plus I want to do some bigger carving, some more stuff on bigger pieces of wood using bigger, what do you call them, end mills and stuff, so I can really hog off some wood. The other ones wouldn't do it. So I'm really, I got this and I am so impressed. I just got it yesterday, so I haven't even used it yet. I got it together, and but it's God, it's the biggest Dremel I've ever owned, and I'm just anxious to use it. I'm stuttering and stammering here because I'm really kind of upset. I have a leak, a bad leak under the kitchen sink, so got somebody coming over to look at it, but I turned the outside faucet on and all of a sudden I watered everything underneath the kitchen sink and underneath the refrigerator and the kitchen floor, and so that was a mess to clean up. Anyway, enough of that. I'm out here in the shop now and gonna work, and when the guy comes over I'll stop this. So anyway, thank you guys for listening to me babble on. I'm gonna get things ready to do the wife's walking stick, and I'll get back to you. Thank you. All right, now let's finish this thing. I'm gonna take the tape off here, turn the compass loose. It should be set up by now, no problemo. Well, don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but the compass is set in there pretty good. Let me turn the light a little bit more. And there's the compass on the end. I like that. All right. Now, this is the strap that goes onto it, that goes up through the 3/8 hole that I drilled right there. But the first thing you really want to do is you want to cut these ends on an angle. That way it helps it get through the holes. Yeah, let's see if I can get it through there this time. Come on, guys, get on through there. You're going to be a bugger today, aren't you? There they are. Pull it through, and then you go to a concho. And you get them both pulled through. Golly sakes. And then we have to go down through the other side. And this is what you use to adjust everything. There. And then you pull it back through. And there it is. And once you get it set to where it is comfortable for you, and this is how it goes, you slide everything up and then you trim the ends off, and it makes a very nice addition to the walking stick, and it looks good too. So there it is, my wife's walking stick, all done. I'm happy with it. I hope she's going to be happy with it. So I will let you go on this note and get back to you when we do some more work on, I believe it's going to be another, it's going to be the Hawthorne walking stick for my next video. So we will see you then. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.